I continue talking about neighborhoods in Midtown Toronto and showing you homes. In this video, I will analyze one of the most recommended areas, Summerhill. I will talk about its demographics, lifestyle, schools, real estate, and of course, cons and pros of the area. I will also invite you to see a home in the neighborhood, and I will explain who might enjoy living here and who should not live in it. Before I start, I would like to introduce myself to those who are on my channel for the first time and to remind the rest of my followers what I do. I am Olena Feoktistova, a real estate broker with Sotheby's International Realty in Toronto. My team and I specialize in helping local and relocating families find their homes in the best neighborhoods and close to the highly ranked schools and amenities. If you are interested in my insights, please support my channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Let's begin. Here are three main points which drive people's attention to Summerhill. They are also the main reason the real estate here is considered to be a great investment. Summerhill is centrally located and bordered by Yonge Street to the east, Avenue Road to the west, Farnham Avenue to the north, and Rosedale to the south. The location offers all means of transportation and easy access to major streets downtown and North Toronto. Number 2. Residents here enjoy benefits of living alongside Yonge Street, which means a vast variety of shopping, dining, sports, and entertainment venues. Number 3. Summerhill homes keep their value well in any market and are known to be a good investment in general due to nearby Rosedale featuring luxurious homes and close proximity to the best public and private schools. Here is one tip I would like to give you since you're interested in Summerhill. I distinguish two parts of Summerhill, east of Yonge Street and west of Yonge Street. If you are serious about living in Summerhill, please reach out to me and I will explain the difference and why buyers should prefer the west part over the east part, as there is a slight difference. Now let me tell you about the demographics in Summerhill. Naturally, you would like to know who is going to be your typical neighbor before you buy a home here. Summerhill is popular among educated people like professionals or executives who like its classy vibe and beautiful buildings. It is home to a mix of ages, from older people who have downsized to middle-aged residents and of course to young professionals moving up in their careers. This mix creates a lively yet grown-up community atmosphere where people enjoy both hanging out together and having their own space. Average household income is $300,000. Average age is 49. Households with children constitute 23%. Now let's discuss the real estate. Summerhill's real estate landscape consists mostly of detached, semi-detached and attached row town homes. However, you will see the mid-rises along Yonge Street and high-rises closer to David Balfour Park. These are older condos, big in size, and they attract older demographics, predominantly downsizers. You can contact me to receive a comprehensive information about condominiums in Summerhill. It may be a great solution for someone looking for a low-maintenance living in central Toronto. Here are the average prices for different types of properties in Summerhill in the second half of 2023. Please keep in mind that in Toronto, the market changes very rapidly, and if you are watching this video later, don't hesitate to reach out and to find out the current numbers. So the average sale price for attached row town homes in the last 6 months of 2023 was $2.2 million. Semi-detached homes were selling for $2.8 million on average. Detached homes showed $4 million and condos were around $1 million. When you choose a home, please be advised that each street has its own value. Now let me show you a property that can be a good starter home for a young family upsizing from a condo. This is a semi-detached home with a gorgeous Victorian facade in the heart of Summerhill. It features 3 bedrooms, 4 washrooms and a finished basement. The lot size is 16 by 75 feet. with a lane for one parking spot. This property requires some updates, but once they are done, a new owner will enjoy a convenient urban lifestyle. The house is listed below the average price for this type of properties, and it appears to be a great investment opportunity. Please reach out to me to find out information about this and other available listings in Summerhill. I mentioned that Summerhill is a very attractive area for families. Let's review the schools and their rankings. Here are public options. Cottingham Junior Public School and its ranking of 9.2 out of 10. Brown Junior Public School with the ranking of 7.7. Deer Park Junior and Senior Public School with 8.8. Whitney Junior Public School with the ranking 10 out of 10. Northern Secondary School with 7.1. And of course, private schools are as follows: the York School, Apakareva College, Branksome Hall, Bishop Strong School, De La Salle College, and some other smaller schools. I always advise my clients to choose schools for their children first and then start choosing a home. This is because your children have to be in the environment that will meet their talents and interests. Please reach out to me to discuss your plans. What is the lifestyle in Summerhill? Summerhill offers a tranquil, upscale ambience blended with urban sophistication. Residents enjoy access to parks and trail systems, offering a serene escape within the city. The neighborhood boasts plenty of gourmet restaurants and cozy cafes, boutique shops, and essential services providing convenience and charm. Some of those stores have been for decades and are well known and respected here. You can feel the mood of the area while walking along Yonge Street on a warm sunny weekend when everyone is out enjoying their coffee, walk, and the neighborhood. By the way, Summerhill is considered to be an extremely walkable neighborhood with a walk score 93 out of 100. There are a number of other typical questions I answer about neighborhoods. Usually, my prospective clients ask them at the first consultation, during showings, or during my tours around Toronto. For example, what are sport facilities? What are popular restaurants or entertainment facilities? How safe the area is? What if you need an additional parking and there is only one designated parking for your home? What is cost of owning a home or a condo in this area, and so on. Reach out to me if you like to discuss your options in Summerhill or any other neighborhood in Toronto. So, if you're looking for a place to settle down in Toronto and you desire to be in a safe area with a good community vibes, highly ranked schools, please get in touch. I'm proud to say that I have helped many families find their ideal homes in ideal locations. Contact me by calling, texting, or commenting down below. My team and I are actively using WhatsApp, Viber, or WeChat. Meanwhile, please don't forget to like my videos and subscribe to my YouTube channel to be always updated as to living in Toronto as well as its real estate. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to meeting you in my next videos.